Hello, you are watching Balahippo Math Genius Riddles. The questions: square root of a minus square root of a minus x equal to x. Find the relations of a and x. In this video, we are sharing useful math tricks to solve this kind of questions. Would you please to solve it? Pause the video and try it while you are ready. Keep watching the video to know the result. The questions: square root of a minus square root of a minus x equal to x. The typical idea is squares both sides of equations as a minus square root of a minus x equal to x squared. Then move the square root items in one side, the rest items in the other side. After that, square again. The equation becomes x power 4. We may take some effort to find x and a. Okay, I'm going to solve it this way. Let square root of a minus x equal to y. Substitute square root of a minus x by y to the given information. Get square root of a minus y equal to x. We have two new equations. Square to both sides of equations. Adapt to these two equations. Then we will get a minus x equal to y squared and a minus y equal to x squared. After that, I'm going to remove item a. So a minus x equal to y squared minus a minus y equal to x squared. Got minus x plus y equal to y squared minus x squared. Move all the items to the same side. For this result, we have x squared minus y squared minus x plus y equal to 0. Then try to factor these equations. Adjust as x squared minus y squared minus bracket x minus y bracket equal to 0. X squared minus y squared equal to quantity x plus y multiplies quantity x minus y. Then to find results as quantity x minus y multiplies quantity x plus y minus 1 equal to 0 means x minus y equal to 0 or x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. Y equal to x or y equal to 1 minus x. While y equal to x, find x from a minus x equal to y squared. Substitute y by x, then move the items to one side as x squared plus x minus a equal to 0. Try to find x from ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. The formula x equal to must be plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Adapt to the equations. X equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times minus a over 2 times 1. Finally, get x equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 4a over 2. While y equal to 1 minus x, same approach to find x. Get a minus x equal to quantity 1 minus x squared. Develop the quantity and simplify. Get x squared minus x minus a plus 1 equal to 0. Finally, get x equal to minus bracket minus 1 bracket plus minus square root of minus 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times bracket minus a plus 1 bracket over 2 times 1. X equal to 1 plus minus square root of 4a minus 3 over 2. That's the relation between x and a. Do you find that? Hope you to enjoy the video. Thank you.